The compact SUV market is overflowed with options, but the CR-V continues to stand out with its super versatile design, with a mix of practicality, refinement, and unmistakable Honda reliability. And now it gets even better, with the new model getting a full portion of updates. Stay with us to find out what really makes the 2026 Honda CR-V so special and why competition simply can't match it. Trail Sport is here. The wait is finally over. Honda's popular Trail Sport treatment has arrived for the CR-V, giving the company's bestseller an off-road-ready variant that buyers have been craving. It's a smart move considering Trail Sport models already account for a whopping 20% of Passport, Pilot, and Ridgeline sales combined. What makes the CR-V Trail Sport stand out immediately is its more rugged appearance. Honda gave it exclusive styling elements including a silver skid garnish on the front fascia, orange Trail Sport badges on both the grille and tailgate, plus gloss black door handles, window trim, and a black rear spoiler. But this isn't just a visual package. Honda backed it up with genuine capability upgrades. The most significant improvement comes from the CR-V Trail Sport's Continental Cross-Contact ATR all-terrain tires, mounted on exclusive 18-inch shark gray wheels with recessed valve stems for better protection on the trail. While they aren't as aggressive as what you'll find on the larger Passport Trail Sport, they deliver substantially improved traction in dirt, sand, mud, and rocky terrain without sacrificing on-road comfort or generating excess noise. Honda didn't stop there though. For 2026, all CR-V AWD models receive enhanced traction management that simulates the effect of a locking differential. At speeds below 9 miles per hour, when the system detects wheels rotating at different speeds, it increases power to the wheels with grip while applying braking force to the slipping wheels. This makes a noticeable difference when traversing loose or uneven terrain. Here's where things get interesting. The CR-V Trail Sport is exclusively paired with Honda's hybrid powertrain. This makes it Honda's first ever hybrid Trail Sport, offering both off-road capability and impressive fuel efficiency in one package. The combination is smart, especially since hybrids now make up more than 50% of all CR-V sales. Interior design, tech upgrades. The 2026 Honda CR-V's interior brings more good news, particularly in the technology department. Every single CR-V model now comes standard with a larger 9.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system, representing a 2-inch increase from the previous 7.0-inch display on base models. Even more importantly, all CR-Vs now include wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, a feature customers have been demanding. To complement this wireless connectivity, Honda has added a wireless phone charging pad as standard equipment across the entire lineup. No more cables cluttering up your center console. These additions significantly improve the CR-V's tech credentials, especially at the entry level where the LX and EX trims previously lagged behind some competitors. Higher trim levels, including the EXL, Sport L, Trail Sport, and Sport Touring, receive an even bigger upgrade, a new 10.2-inch fully digital instrument cluster that's 46% larger than before. This configurable display allows drivers to customize what information they see, from Honda sensing settings to various vehicle metrics. The CR-V Trail Sport's cabin distinguishes itself with unique elements like Trail Sport logos embroidered on the front seat headrests and molded into the all-weather floor mats. It's especially striking at night when amber ambient lighting illuminates the footwells, overhead console, door handles, door trays, and cup holders. This is the first time we've seen Honda combine cloth seating with a power tailgate in the CR-V lineup, giving Trail Sport buyers a practical combination of durable upholstery and convenience features. At the top of the range, the Sport Touring model becomes even more tech-forward with Google built-in integration, a first for the CR-V. This allows access to Google Maps, Google Assistant, and the Google Play Store without needing to connect through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Sport Touring buyers get this feature with a complimentary 3-year unlimited data plan. The CR-V's interior remains one of the most practical and spacious in its class, with 39.3 cubic feet of cargo space behind the second row, expandable to 76.5 cubic feet with seats folded. It handily outperforms competitors like the Toyota RAV4 and Subaru Forester. Front and rear passenger space is equally impressive with 41.3 inches of front legroom and a generous 41.0 inches for rear passengers, considerably more spacious than the RAV4's 37.8 inches of rear legroom. Powertrain and ride quality. The 2026 CR-V continues to offer 2 powertrain options, but it's clear which one Honda is pushing, and for good reason. The standard engine remains the competent 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, making 190 horsepower and 176 pound-feet of torque, paired with a continuously variable transmission. While this setup provides adequate acceleration, with 0 to 60 mph times around 8.7 seconds, it's the hybrid models that really shine. Honda's 4th-generation 2-motor hybrid system powers 4 of the CR-V's 7 trim levels, including the new Trail Sport. With 204 horsepower and an impressive 247 pound-feet of torque, the hybrid powertrain delivers not just better efficiency, but also a more satisfying driving experience. The instant torque from the electric motors provides quicker response and smoother acceleration compared to the standard turbocharged engine. Fuel economy for the hybrid models remains excellent, with 35 miles per gallon combined, a significant improvement over the gas-only version's 26 to 31 miles per gallon, depending on drive configuration. Honda claims the hybrid system provides up to 581 miles of range on a single tank of gas, nearly identical to the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid's 580-mile range. For 2026, the Sport Touring Hybrid receives an exclusive individual drive mode that allows drivers to customize various vehicle characteristics like throttle response and steering assist. This gives the CR-V's flagship trim a more premium feel and lets drivers dial in exactly the driving experience they prefer. What continues to set the CR-V apart from most competitors is its excellent handling and overall driving dynamics. Unlike some compact SUVs that feel clumsy or disconnected from the road, the CR-V maintains Honda's reputation for responsive steering and well-controlled body motions. Even with the Trail Sport's all-terrain tires, the CR-V remains composed on pavement while gaining additional capability off the beaten path. Tech and safety features. Safety has always been a CR-V strong point, and the 2026 model continues this tradition with Honda's comprehensive suite of driver assistance technologies. Every CR-V comes standard with Honda Sensing, which includes collision mitigation braking, road departure mitigation, adaptive cruise control, and lane-keeping assist. For 2026, Honda has updated these systems to be more responsive. The collision detection system now recognizes pedestrians and cyclists sooner, while automatic emergency braking reacts more quickly than before. This isn't just marketing talk. The CR-V has earned a 5-star overall safety rating from the NHTSA every year since the current generation debuted a few years ago. The CR-V's safety credentials are further bolstered by its impressive array of 10 standard airbags, including next-generation front airbags designed to reduce head rotation in collisions, front knee airbags, and rear passenger side impact airbags. This comprehensive protection package puts the CR-V ahead of many competitors that offer fewer standard airbags. Above the base LX trim, all CR-V models add blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert, with the top trims receiving reverse automatic braking and a 360-degree camera system on the Sport Touring. Few competitors offer such a complete safety package across their lineup, making the CR-V an excellent choice for safety-conscious buyers. The CR-V also brings convenience technology to the table with features like a power tailgate, standard on EXL, Trail Sport, Sport L, and Sport Touring, heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, and a moonroof on higher trims. The audio system ranges from a basic 4-speaker setup in the LX to an impressive 8-speaker system in the EXL, Trail Sport, and top trims. Release date and price. The 2026 Honda CR-V is here with all the updates we just talked about, but despite the novelties, the new CR-V remains competitively priced, with base models starting at $32,000. The hybrid version, of course, costs a little bit extra and starts at around $37,000, which is still a very competitive price, considering all the qualities this SUV gives in return. As for the new Trail Sport trim, it comes with a sticker price of around $40,000, while buyers who don't necessarily need that kind of capability are still left with a broad range of different versions on offer, including models like the mid-range LX, which starts at around $34,000 and comes standard with heated front seats, moonroof, blind spot monitoring, and much more. Honda's decision to offer more standard features across the board, especially wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and the wireless charging pad, significantly improves the CR-V's value equation for 2026. Combine these upgrades with Honda's legendary reliability and strong resale values, and it's easy to see why the CR-V continues to dominate sales charts year after year. With over 400,000 units sold last year and hybrid models accounting for more than half of all CR-V sales, Honda has clearly found the winning formula. The addition of the Trail Sport trim and technology upgrades for 2026 will only strengthen the CR-V's position as one of America's best-selling SUVs. But the CR-V isn't the only model in class with big updates. Check out this video about the 2026 Jeep Compass, which you can now see on the screen. Jeep's SUV is coming completely redesigned, based on a new platform with a full load of significant improvements. Thanks for watching and see you next time.